Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Wheels and Meals. Today, I've got an exciting delicacy recipe for you. Slow-cooked lamb shanks, perfect for special occasions and festive gatherings. Seasoning the shanks. First up, we're going to season our lamb shanks with the following spices: Robertsons steak and chops, thyme, rosemary barbecue, spiced paprika, ginger and garlic powder, and lastly, Crown National's 6-gun grill searing for flavor. Next, we're going to sear the lamb shanks, either in a pan or over a fire if you're feeling fancy. This step gives the shanks that amazing crust and rich color. Now, poke a few holes in the shanks and stuff in fresh rosemary, whole garlic cloves, and a clove or two if you'd like. Adds amazing flavor from the inside out. The broth. Don't skip this. This next step is important. Don't skip it. Make a rich broth using mutton-flavored stock cubes as per the packet instructions. Use enough to cover all your shanks. It'll depend on how many you're cooking. Building flavor, the veggies and deglaze. In the same pan we used to sear the lamb, toss in some chopped onions, carrots and peppers. Sauté them to soak up all that flavor, then deglaze the pan with some red wine. Let the wine reduce. It adds beautiful depth to the dish. Slow cooking time. Now it's time for the magic. Transfer the shanks into a pot, or like me, use a multi-cooker with a slow cook function. If you're using a regular pot, just make sure it's sealed and on minimum heat. We're slow cooking for 8 hours. Add in your sautéed veggies, the broth, a sachet of tomato puree, and the rest of that bottle of wine. If the shanks aren't fully submerged, mix in a few more stock cubes dissolved in water. Close it up and let it slow cook. After about 4 hours, give it a gentle mix. Bring the bottom shanks to the top. The reveal. After 8 hours of low and slow cooking, the lamb should be fall off the bone tender. Check out how juicy it is. The broth hasn't even reduced much because of the low heat. Luxury gravy, the secret sauce. Now for the magic touch, restaurant-style lamb gravy. Pour the broth into a separate pot and reduce it by half. While it's simmering down, prep your side dishes. Side dishes, easy and tasty. We're going with Woolies Food butternut, baby potatoes and baby carrots. Season them with your favorite herbs. I recommend Cajun spice and Robertsons veggie seasoning. Pop them into the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Finishing the gravy. Once the broth has reduced, strain it and return it to the heat. Add 2 sachets of Royco roast gravy and let it thicken. Boom, the most amazing lamb gravy is ready. I'm using a blowtorch here on the lamb shanks to add a bit of heat, color, and a nice crust. It also brings some character to the bed of mashed potatoes. This step is totally optional, but it adds a great finishing touch. Plating it up. To finish, Place your lamb shank on a bed of fluffy mashed potatoes. Pour over that rich, silky gravy and garnish with fresh herbs. This recipe isn't the quickest, but it's definitely one to make a special, memorable family dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and hit that subscribe button. Drop us a comment or shout if you've got any questions. We're always happy to help. Until next time, happy cooking from Wheels and Meals.